Kia ora te whānau. Whakarongo. When you hear the trumpets, it means something very exciting is about to happen. Oh, I hear them. That means it's toy time. Hoaki tātou.
What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Spin it all around. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. When you're watching toy time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time!
Kia ora te whānau, nau mai, haere mai. Ko mai a tōku ingoa, and welcome to the Toy Time Whare.
Kia ora. Ko Jojo ahau. And today is all about... Ricky. Ricky.
Oh, kia ora. Oh, sorry. Kia ora, everyone.
As I was saying, today is all about...
Kia ora, everyone.
Buzz.
Sorry I'm late.
No problem, Buzz. It's great to see you.
As I was saying, today's show is all about...
Yoda, I'm ready.
Whoopsies. Sorry, I forgot to take my shoes off. No worries, Aroha. It's great to see you. Now that everyone's here, today's show is all about manners. Like saying kia ora and making everyone feel welcome. Kia ora.
And in our whare, it's taking your shoes off before you go inside.
And being on time.
And putting your phone away when other people are around.
And saying please and thank you. Kia ora, ngā mihi.
Oh, tō That's Cantonese for thank you.
Doje.
Hey, Mōhio, why are manners so important?
Manners are a way to show respect and politeness to other people.
Whoa, manners are really important. Thanks, Mōhio.
Today, we are going to learn all about manners.
Hoake tātou. Oh, I mean, hoake tātou.
Nice to meet you, nice to greet you, nice to say hello. Atamari e kia ora, tēnā koe. Nice to meet you, nice to greet you, nice to say hello. Atamari e kia ora, tēnā koe. At the marae, before we go inside, unuhia ohu, take off our shoes. At the marae, we greet with a hongi. Ka hariru tātou, that's how we say hello. Nice to meet you, nice to greet you, nice to say hello. Atamari e kia ora, tēnā koe. Nice to meet you, nice to greet you, nice to say hello. Atamari e kia ora, tēnā koe. When it's time to eat, take off your hat, tangohia tō pōtai, before we eat our kai. When it's time to eat, we say a karakia, ka karakia tātou, for food that helps us grow. Nice to meet you, nice to greet you, nice to say hello. Atamari e kia ora, tēnā koe. Nice to meet you, nice to greet you, nice to say hello. Atamari e kia ora, tēnā koe. Nice to meet you, nice to greet you, nice to say hello. Atamari e kia ora, tēnā koe. Nice to meet you, nice to greet you, nice to say hello. Atamari e kia ora, tēnā koe.
Okay.
Whoa, kia ora, Maya. That looks delicious. Would you like some help?
Oh, yes, please, Ricky. If you could just pass me the candle. Okay. Here.
What a beautiful cake. What's it for?
It's for a very special occasion, a bear's birthday party. Hey, Mōhio, please could you tell us the story about the bear and the birthday party?
Of course, Maya. Once upon a toy time, there was a bear who lived in the forest near the Toy Time whare.
Hold up. There are bears in the forest near the Toy Time whare?
Oh, no, Riki. We don't have real bears in Aotearoa, New Zealand. Only teddy bears. Titipea. This is make-believe, remember?
Oh, yeah. Sorry, Mōhio. Please continue with the story.
It was the bear's birthday, so the Toy Time whānau decided to throw him a party.
Happy birthday, bear! Honey hooty toe.
Thank you. I've never had a birthday party before. What do I do?
Well, you're the birthday bear. All you have to do is have fun.
Aye, and eat lots of delicious kai. Please, sit down. Let's say a karakia. Nau mai ngā kai, I hara mai I ta, I hara mai I tai, haumi e, hui e.
Taiki e. Would you like a slice of pizza, Buzz the bear?
Oh, yes, please.
But the bear didn't just eat one slice of pizza, he ate the entire plate of pizza.
Thank you.
Oh, you must be very hungry, bear.
Oh.
Would you like a cupcake?
Oh, yes, please. I've read about these. Is that cinnamon? It tastes yeast. Did you use whole grain flour in that?
I did.
But the bear didn't just take one cupcake either. He took all the cupcakes on the plate and ate them all up in one big gulp.
Would you like a cup of tea?
Oh, fancy.
Oh,
But the bear didn't just have one drink. He took the whole teapot and drank it all up in one big gulp.
Thank you.
The bear looked around to see what other food he could find.
What's that? Is that barbecue chicken? Oh, that's good. Oh, yeah.
Okay.
That's good. Oh!
Now. Oh, wait, Buzz. Bear, not the whole.
Oh, that's got a kick.
Hey. Oh.
That was so amazing. Oh, excuse me. Thank you for the lovely birthday party. I had so much fun and the kai was delicious. Oh, thank you for having me. E nohora.
you're welcome.
Are those for me? Oh, yeah, don't mind if I do. Thank you. Oh, excuse me. Yeah.
Wow. Bears eat lots of food.
They sure do. Well, at least he said his pleases and thank yous.
Well, next time we throw a party, we need to make a lot more food.
Aye, and maybe 2 cakes next time.
The more cakes, the better. Oh, hey, Titiro Maya. You missed one.
Sorry, I think I left a cupcake. Thank you.
Well, at least you tried, Ricky. Time to clean up.
Yeah.
Kia ora, my cousins. It's me, Buzz, back at it again on another amazing adventure. And today, I'm at the Papatakaro with my friend Aston. Today, I'm going to be using my best manners in the playground. Come on! Come on, let's go. Got to use all of our balancing skills here. After you, kind sir. You did it! My turn! Oh! Hey, me and Aston are really good at using our manners. It's important to use your manners, eh, Aston? Hey, I just saw an awesome-ass slide too. Do you want to take turns going down that? Okay, and around. 1, 2, 3, boom! All right, do you want to go first? Okay, go on. Go on. Kia kaha. Kia moia. Go. Remember where you come from. Mana. Hey! All right, it's my turn. Go! Woo! Oh! Help me up. Oi. Thank you. Should we play on something else? Come on! Do you want me to push you on the swing now?
Yes, please!
All right, let's do it! All right, I'm going! Whoa! You're going really high!
Slow down!
Oh, slow down. Aroha mai. Are you okay? Yee! Should we go do something else? Come on! Whoop! You can jump really high. Yeah, get your dance on. Get your dance on. Can't see me wait to dance on. Come on. Tēnā koe, Aston. It's been awesome hanging out with you today. Hey, and we've used heaps of our manners as well too. Woo. I've got one more thing to show you. Do you want to share my monster trucks with me? Which colour would you like? The blue one? Ah, bye. All right, let's race. Ka kite anō, my cousins. Tei, rua, toru, go! Hurrah! You won!
Oh, kia ora, Schnookums. Welcome, welcome. Come in. Shoes off? Good, me too. Woo! Being a good helper at home is all part of being a good kaitiaki, taking care of your home. Like these clean towels. They need folding and putting away, and they're not going to fold themselves, are they? Now, it wouldn't be very helpful if I put them away like this. So here's how to fold a towel and help take care of your whānau. Okay, take the two long ends and bring them together, which makes a square. Fold that in half, and then that makes a rectangle. Then fold that in half. Ta-da! Beautifully folded towel. Right. Oh, look, a towel for fairies. Ooh. Now we're done. Now to put them away in the towel cupboard. Kapai, hakete. Oh, could someone hold the door open, please?
Woo! Yee! Dee 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 dee. Look what I found in the toy box, Oma.
Wow! Oh, it's such a beautiful ribbon, Wolfie. Oh, can I have a go now? Please? Pretty please, pretty please, can I have a go?
But I haven't finished my turn yet, Oma.
Oh, you're right. Sorry, Wolfie.
Whoop, whoop, whoop. Doo. There you go, Oma. It's your turn now.
Yay! Thank you!
Oh, how beautiful.
Kia ora. Hello, my friend. How are you doing today? Some days you might feel so happy. It makes you wanna laugh and shout. Kani kani with your friends, move your body. And do the hokey pokey and wiggle it all about. Ha ki roto, breathe in. Ha ki waho, breathe out. Ha ki roto, breathe in. Ha ki waho, breathe out.
Ha ki roto.
Breathe in.
Ha kiwaho.
Breathe out.
Ha kiroto.
Breathe in.
Ha kiwaho.
Breathe out. Hello, my friend. Don't worry if you're happy or sad again. Hello, my friend. Don't worry if you're happy or sad again.
Ha kiroto.
Breathe in.
Ha kiwaho.
Breathe out.
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 Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Turn it.
Turn up who?
Oh, turn up the music. I love this song. Cool moves, Jojo. You're very talented, and that's going to come in handy for Takoro time today.
Oh, Takoro time! Yes!
To the music room.
Ara-da-da-da-da, hey! Ara-da-da-da-da, hey! Ara-da-da-da-da, hey! Ara-da-da-da-da, hey!
Welcome to the best Takoro time ever. It's our talent quest. We're going to take turns performing our best talent, and then Mōhio will tell us who won. Got it?
Got it!
What's a talent?
A talent is something that you're good at, Ricky.
Oh, okay. Now I've got it.
I'll give you a minute to think about your talents, and then I'll go first. Those seats are for the audience.
Please sit down. Oh.
Quiet, please. It's important to have good manners during the talent show. Be quiet during the performance, okay? Stay seated so everyone can see you. And most importantly, give a big cheer when the performance is finished to show your appreciation. Here goes. Drop a beat. Listen to this. Here's something you don't want to miss. Go. Booms, booms, boom, boom, booms, boom, booms, booms, boom, boom, booms, boom. Scene. You can cheer now.
Oh.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Who's next?
Aho, me please.
Okay. Oh.
A series of expressions by Maya. Oh no, I've just been at the dentist. I can smell something funny. I'm a fang tooth. And now I'm Maya.
Oh, can I please go next? Oh, yeah.
Aroha and I are doing our performance together.
We're starting now.
Thank you!
That was like watching one clown, but it was two at the same time.
Aye, like a mirror.
Like a mirror. Okay, everyone, well done. Oh, beautiful. That was some terrific talent. And now for the announcement. Drum roll, please. Hey, Mōhio!
Kia ora, Buzz. How can I help?
Who is the winner of the Tākaro Time Talent Quest?
The winner of the Tākaro Time Talent Quest is everyone.
You won!
Woohoo! Guess what, everyone? I'm starting school today. I'm so excited. When I was 1, I said goo goo gaga. I just started walking. And when I was 2, I learned how to poo. I kept on talking and talking. When I was 3, I wanted to be the captain of my ship. Ahoy there, matey. And when I was 4, I learned so much more, like sharing and caring and kips. But now I am 5, I feel so alive, 'cause I'm starting school today. Yes! I wakey and eat my brekkie, and I brush on my teeth. Then I put on my clothes, all nice and warm. Brush on my hair. My beautiful mama has made my lunch. I'll learn to do that myself soon. Then on with my bag and into my shoes. I'm happy to walkie. And now I am 5. I feel so alive, 'cause I'm starting school today. I feel so alive, 'cause I am 5 and I'm starting school today. Cannot wait!
We're on a holiday in Tasmania. I'm going rock hopping with my brother. Mum's coming too. You've got to have good balance.
Found a patch of sandfire.
It goes next to the rocks. You can eat it, but ask an adult first. Yum! Tastes salty. We help each other up the rocks. We found something really awesome behind the beach.
There's a mummy penguin in her burrow.
Look, she's got a baby penguin. We better leave her alone. Back to rock hopping.
We love rock hopping. Bye.
Kia ora, and welcome to the Toy Time News Report. In breaking news, for the first time since Auntie Anika won World's Best Sleeper in 1981, the title has gone to someone new, the koala. That's right, Ehua. Koalas can sleep for up to 22 hours a day. That would be like waking up for breakfast and then going back to bed after lunch for the rest of the day. We're crossing live to Australia to interview a real koala. Kia ora, Mr. Sleepyhead. Tell us, how do you get to be such a good sleeper? Oh, well, it appears that Mr. Sleepyhead is doing what he does best. Sleeping. How cute. Oh, we should probably leave him to it. Thanks for tuning in, and good night. Ciao tau.
Today I'm off to the library. I got some books to return. I just put them here. I'm gonna look for some of my favorite books. I wonder if they got any books about the Titanic. I'll have a look if I can find one. I might have found one. Yes, I did. I found one. I also like learning about computers. I can't see any books about computers. I'll go ask. Excuse me, Claire. I was wondering, do you have any coding books?
Oh, if we do, I can think of a couple of places there'd be. A little bit empty at the moment. We've got the
one coding book, which I think is good. I found this great book about fish. Ooh, epic. I really love seahorses. These African ones, splendid. Can we please get these books out, please?
Yes, absolutely. Have you got a library card with you today?
Gosh.
I'll give you that back.
Thank you.
I also found this one in the adult section. You know, we didn't have any books in the children's section for coding.
Yeah.
But this one is intended for young people, so I wonder if you'd like to get that out too.
Yes, I would.
You've got a really good selection there, Frank. I hope you enjoy them.
Okay, thank you. I got all the books I need. Bye!
Hi there, I'm Frank, and welcome to Storytime. This is a story about learning to use chopsticks. It was a lovely night in Wellington when Jean and Joy invited their friend Doug over for dinner. Dad was cooking up a big, delicious meal for the family, and the kids sat at the kitchen bench to help him. In a big pan called a wok, Dad tossed the fried rice. Using 2 thin wooden sticks, he mixed eggs into a smooth liquid and poured it into the wok, stirring with the sticks as it sizzled. Doug frowned. He'd never seen anybody cook with sticks before. They're called chopsticks. We also use them to eat, said Jean. She was carefully counting out 2 chopsticks for each person. Chopsticks? Asked Doug. What do they chop? Joy laughed. They don't chop anything. That's just what they're called. Are you sure about that, Joy? Said Dad with a twinkle in his eye. Using his chopsticks, Dad picked up a piece of cooked carrot, then squeezed his chopsticks together until the carrot chopped in half. Whoa! Exclaimed the kids in awe of Dad's skills. Doug collected a pair of chopsticks from Jean, keen to learn how to use them. Joy showed him how to hold the chopsticks like holding a pencil. Jean showed him how to line them up so that the tips touched. Wibbling and wobbling, Doug used his chopstick to pick up a piece of broccoli. Well done, said Dad. Keep practicing and you'll soon be as skilled as me. That night, they all had a wonderful dinner, and Doug was happy to have learned the awesome skill of using chopsticks. The end.
Hi, editor, we've got to go. We've had a good time, we'll see you tomorrow. Kakite ano, we'll see you again. We all hope you had a good day. A kani kai and a really good play. Kakite ano, we'll see you again. Tō wha soi wha.